Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if just you have problem in your Instagram that no users found, so why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So mostly it happened because user just change username, or user can delete his page from Instagram, or Instagram just blocks this page and ban it. So if user just change username, just try to find new username and search by new username, or user can also create new page on Instagram, or if Instagram just bans this account, so you can do nothing. So maybe user will create new page only, or recover it, but it will take some time. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.